got a tip for you for the solar eclipse for all my survival guys. If you're within the path and you don't have a pair of glasses, you can look through a CD, or if you're a survival guy, you got a Mylar blanket handy. Just take and make one layer of it and look at the sun. So there's a lens here. Check that out, guys. Now we're looking at the sun. Guys, get ready for the eclipse. You don't have to find those glasses, just dig out a blanket. Think of all the strips and everything else you could cut out of this. We're gonna go cut some of this and put it over a lens on a telescope so we can look at it through a telescope. So, if you guys got a Mylar blanket, enjoy the eclipse.